In today's video, I'll show you how to install Trainer in Just Cause 2. Check my video description for this Trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Extract 2. Type Trainer and then click on OK. Open the extracted folder, open the exe file and select More Info and select Run Anyway option. Select Yes. Select this music on or off to off the music and then go back to the same site we downloaded the Trainer and you can able to see cheats. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna press this numpad 3 key for infinite ammo and numpad 4 key. You don't need to reload weapons. Now launch the game. Once you are in game, make sure to turn on the num lock in the numpad and then press the numpad keys to activate the cheats. Once you press the key, you will get the activated sound. And as you can see, the infinite ammo is working. No reload. Both sheets are working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.